What's going on? Just wanted to create a short video showing my levels that are already made for SPY. Today's Monday, May 5th, 2025, pre-market on a Monday. I've already done my levels and I just wanted to show those levels and what I'll be looking for today in regards to trades. Only thing that's not currently out there that I trade on a regular is the 5 minute opening range break and retest. Obviously, the market is not open, so I will mark that when it happens on the first 5 minute candle close, the high and then the low. But I'll go ahead and go to the charts and just show what I have. So this green line here is the previous day low, which is 562.38. The high of the day is 568.38, but this is also a weekly key level of 568.38, which again is also the previous day high, which is an additional confluence when price action comes up there on either a break and retest or a reject. We have down here 554.50, which is a daily level. 550, that's a very strong level. And then I have a 545.50 4-hour level. And I'll just kind of show how I got those. So here at the bottom of this candle, March 3rd, the week of March 3rd, it the candle closed here, and then this candle here on March 24th, the wick touches the close, so I just made a key level there at 575.90. Same thing here. I could zoom in just a little bit more on this. So this weekly candle, March 31st, the high was 567.42. The close on this candle is 566.76. So 566.76 and the high of 567.42. That's pretty close, less than $1. So then I created a zone from the top of that candle, the high, to the close, which touches this candle as well. So there it goes. We have a high. We have two highs that touch, and weekly candles hold a lot of weight because there's a lot of action in there. So I created a zone, and then also here at the opening of this same exact candle comes close to this high, also comes close to this high and close, as well as this open of the weekly candles, which again hold a lot of weight. So created a level at 550. Got another weekly level here. Low of this candle, the opening of this candle on the weekly. I like how they touch. Daily are the orange lines. So we'll zoom in on that real quick here before the market starts. 597.20 up here on all these touches. All these touches here on the daily. There's a lot of touches here too, but this is already a weekly level. Gives me confirmation looking at it now. Got these two candles here, April 1st, April 2nd. The bottoms match up with these highs. These lows became these highs, and then we gapped up. 4-hour level that I have is just right here. I don't like to have too many levels out here because it gets a little congested. You got a lot of touches here. You got this wick, this close, this open. As you can see, there's a lot of touches on this line. So that's a legitimate 4-hour level. And I will leave my chart on the 5 minute at the open. Let the 5 minute candle close, mark the high and low. And then after that, go to the 1 minute, execute from here. Currently, previous day low, which is this green line, looks pretty interesting. Probably like to see a pop into this zone and then a fade down to 554.50, ultimately for continuation because the market is a little bullish. I mean, you can kind of see structure was lower high, lower high, lower high, and then the low. Then we kind of started the other way. Created a high here, high, maybe we're creating another high here. If we could stay above this 554, 550, we'll continue to create the higher highs. That's it. Morning look based off of the SPY chart prep that I did last night. I also made another video in regards to that, but I'm actually just I'm recording over it, or not recording over. I'm recording another one because I thought it was really, really choppy. This is just for review. Um, this is for me to stay accountable and use these levels and stay out of the areas where there's no key levels. This is what I consider TTP trading. Trade the plan, trust the process, track the probabilities. I can't predict the future. I can only react to the key levels and make sure that I'm taking the best setups. And that's what I look forward to doing today.